Jai Hind, dear aspirants. We at AMAS Coaching Institute at Greater Noida run written batches for NDA, IMA, OTA, and CDS entries, including ACC. The batches are on dual mode for NDA, that is online and offline. For OTA and IMA, we have got offline batches, and for ACC, again we have got dual mode, that is online and offline, suiting to the convenience and the time which is given to them. We have a trained teaching staff with us. Now each staff will now tell you the modalities, the conduct, and the approach what we follow, so that the test becomes easy for you, and you pass with flying colors. Wish you all the best. God bless.
Good afternoon, everyone. Wholeheartedly, we welcome all of you at AMAS. Hope so you people are doing well. As you know, okay, from 3rd of Feb, we are starting up with our new batch for NDA. So, I'll be teaching you history, geography, and polity as the batch. And now we are here to discuss the approach. So, for history, you know, aspirants, okay, history contains high stories. So, it will be discussed over there, and stories form along with the timeline. Timeline will be provided to you. Along with that, the mode of the conduct will be bilingual. We'll be discussing some of the topics in English as well as in Hindi also, but mainly we'll be focusing in English part. The syllabus is as per the UPSC guidelines, because UPSC has raised the level, so accordingly we'll be doing in the class. So as well as the content will be provided to you, worksheets will be giving you, boards will be shared, and in the starting of the class we'll have a snap test also to check what you people had revised at home of the previous class. And along with that, I'll also be giving from my side some of the elimination techniques to clear the UPSC exam, as it's not too difficult. It's obviously difficult, but not too difficult. Along with that, we'll have the module test also on every Monday. So whatsoever we had covered in the last week, we'll be following that. And the regular doubt sessions are also over there. Along with that, proper feedback is being given. So let's see all of you on 3rd of Feb.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
I'm good. How are
What are
you?
you planning for? You're doing some planning?
Yes,
Okay.
we are planning. From 3rd Feb of 2025, we have started a new batch, 8-week course.
Okay. NDA.
Yes, and this is 10th batch of NDA.
Okay.
In this batch,
Some strategies you are following?
yes,
Okay.
in this
What are
batch we
those?
will clear some PYQs. Around 965 PYQ I will clear throughout the topics, and these PYQ we will clear by elimination, shortcut tips and tricks. During this batch, we will clear weekly assimilation test, okay, and focus on individual problem students, and the individual feedback we will take. All this cover in a single batch. So, student, if you are interested, definitely, you can join this batch from 3rd week. याद रखो 3rd February 2025. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, Jai Hind aspirants. Myself, Dr. Udita Singh at AMAS. We are starting a new NDA batch. As we all know that only 72 days are left for our NDA examinations. So here we at AMAS, we are introducing a new batch from 3rd of February 2025. आप लोग AMAS ज्वाइन करिए. हम लोग आपको अश्योर करते हैं कि हम आपको वीकली एसिमुलेशंस के थ्रू, PYQs के थ्रू हर एक कंसेप्ट को इजीली समझाएंगे और उसकी प्रैक्टिस करवाएंगे. एक एक बुक से सारे क्वेश्चंस हम आपको प्रॉपरली करवाएंगे. ठीक है, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट करेंगे, आपके अंदर एक कॉन्फिडेंस लेके आएंगे, सो दैट आप 100% कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ 72 डेज के अंदर अपना एनडीए एग्जामिनेशन 100% श्योरिटी के साथ क्लियर करें. थैंक यू. जय हिंद.